Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are off to Takeley, which is near Stansted Airport, and we're going to do a Ford B-Max rear quarter repair. It's bright red, it could possibly be a race red from Ford, or radiant red, or another red, I don't know. But I've just been out the yard, topped up some of my tinters that I needed to do, grabbed a box of gloves because I ran out yesterday, and now we're heading over there. I'll be there about 8:30 is the earliest I can be there, I believe. So yeah, let's go and get this one done. Hopefully this one is more straightforward than the Land Rover I done yesterday, but yeah, we shall see. It is what it is. I've priced this job properly, so I don't mind. We can spend all day if we have to, but yeah, let's crack on, get over there. There's a few road closures, there's some kind of cycle race event, so I'm going to work out what way I'm going to go over there. Probably have to go up the motorway and then cut through, but we'll see. So yeah, catch up with you in a mo. Go guys. Hopefully we can get that nice and straight and looking well. Excuse the noise, compressor's going. Right, let's crack on, no time to waste. crack it again. This little wobble weren't quite right. I thought it was alright, and then I primed over it and then it wasn't. And then I found another little wavy wobbly bit through here. I sanded through, and it still weren't having it. So I must have missed that. The main damage was here, and this was a bit of a ripple here. So we're going to sand that all back and we'll reprime. It's not a problem. It's better to catch it now than paint it and realise. So yeah, let that go off. We'll drop that down and crack on again. And just like that, I think we're good and we're ready to go. Gonna get this sheeted off and finish my final masking bits. I'll see you in a moment. So I'm sat in here, just mixed all my paint. We're all sheeted off, ready to go. I'm about to start painting. And the neighbour comes out and starts jet washing his car. And he can see what I'm doing. He's seen me there all day. You'll have to smash people's faces in on YouTube. I think that'd be funny. Oh, I don't know what to say. I just might have to wait. Just let him do what he's doing. Because I can't start spraying now. He's going to start jet washing it off again in a minute. See you in a moment. Cheers. get some clear on this thing. There we go. Repair come out sweet. It's a bit peely. I've got to flat and polish it. There ain't much dirt in it, to be fair, but it's a little bit dry. Right, let's get this done. There we go, guys. Repair looks really well. Colour's not too bad. It's a little bit bright compared to the door. The bumper's the same as the other side. But it'll calm down, obviously. It's really hard to see on the camera. It looks just very bright to me at the moment on here. Got a couple of tiny little silicone spots. Matey decided to put tyre shine on while I was painting. Very friendly of him. Right, let's get packed up. And we're off! There we go, guys. All wrapped up. Jobbed. Going home. Can't believe that geezer swapped the jet wash out. He's seen me all day long. I sheeted the car off, getting ready to paint, just gets jet wash out. Can't believe it. Is what it is. I had to wait. Came out well. It's really clean, to be fair. Couple of tiny little nibs. It's a little bit dry in places, but you just can't not to some days. The weather, it's like not going on as much as you think it's going on. It's been scorching today. It's 22 degrees. There's been no cover, no shade. It's been beating down on me all day. When he got that jet wash out, I was in the best of moods. Oh, never mind. It's done. Came out well. The repair looked fine. Customer's happy. That's all that matters. It's a little tinsy bit bright. I haven't looked at the footage yet. I don't know. It probably looks worse on the camera. But to be fair, it did actually look alright in person as such when you're there. A little bit brighter. You know what reds are like, they all fade, they're a nightmare. And I didn't really want to start polishing all their car up. Yeah, it's done. That is it from me today. I'm on my way home. As always, a massive thanks for watching. And we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.